This is the I20M Advanced Bluetooth Calling Smartwatch. Lots of different controls, messages sent from your phone. You've got step count information, including your overall summary and your 7-day results. You've got last night's sleep time broken down into deep and light and even REM sleeping on the app. You've got blood heart rate that you can monitor right here in your zones, maximum, minimum, and your continuous heart rate from midnight to midnight is shown here as well. You also have Bluetooth calling. Hit turn on, it activates the connection to your phone so you can do basic Bluetooth calling with this one if you want. You have blood pressure in here. You can take blood pressure readings. You can see your last 7 results, and you have blood oxygen as well. And again, you can see your last 7 results. Weather, anywhere in the world, you specify the city and the units, centigrade or Fahrenheit, in the app, and an onboard music player that'll control music from your phone and play it through the watch. Yes, this has a speaker and microphone so that you can do Bluetooth calling too. You also have access to all your different apps, steps, sleep, heart rate we just saw, different exercises, walking, running, cycling. It even includes swimming, gang, in a Bluetooth calling smartwatch. That's pretty rare. Blood pressure, blood oxygen, weather, the messages. You can have a remote shutter for taking pictures. A breathing sequence is in here too, so you can monitor your breathing. Stopwatches, countdown timers, alarms. It's really packed with lots of stuff. And of course, all your different settings are in here too, with the QR code and about identifying it as the I20M. All in all, it's a really small, efficient, compact, and nice smartwatch. You've got, like I said, Bluetooth calling in here, removable bands. It's a winner, and a very inexpensive one at that. It's the I20M. Check it out.